All right, I'm a big fan of getting a custom domain. And what a domain is, if I can say it, is, www dot. In my case, my name is Cory Draper. So if you go to corydraper.com, you'll see all my online opportunities there. Okay, or I'm a big fan of promoting my domain name that I bought so I can earn money and recruit and get signups and live good. Okay, joincory.com. I'm a big fan of getting .coms over the .nets, the .orgs, and all those other blank. I saw .ais are now out, but I think .com is by far the most accepted, the most familiar. But I have .nets, and I have the .org, and I even have CoryDraper.ai. Okay, but in this case, Join Cory, I liked it because I want you to join. Okay, it kind of has take action in my domain name. Plus, it fits on a business card. Okay, I order these. You can see maybe at the bottom of your screen, I got some of my business cards here. I even have the back just white. I believe just get them as cheap as possible, whatever your budget is. If you have 20 bucks, okay, go to Vistaprint or your favorite printer. I picked this red background just because it makes the white joincory.com jump off the card. And then I put my name and my email address because I don't mind if people email me. I can always email them back when I can. Okay, phone calls, it's too hard to take right now. I got too many businesses and other stuff that I do. But if someone has a question, I don't mind. But I want the joincory.com to be the sole purpose. I want it to be the main thing on my card. You got to agree, if that card was on a wall or on a desk, you can see that joincory.com very easy. Okay, in that font. And do you see how I capitalized the J and the C? It's just so hopefully you can read the Join Cory a lot easier than if it was all capitalized letters or lowercase. Okay. I also own several other ones. Here's some examples. All right, I'll show you if I can. All right, here we go. I bought People Join People because I'm a big believer in this. All right, I've signed up over 400 people in LiveGood just personally. And my other businesses probably well over, 2,000 people by count of this morning. All right, peoplejoinpeople.com. I love it. And then here's another one. This is my big money maker. Click, then watch. Because I'm always telling people to click, then watch video. And even in LiveGood, guys, you know what? Click and watch the video. Click, then watch. I love it, okay? So I'm a real big fan of going to a company like GoDaddy or similar. I think GoDaddy's the best because there's always a live person you can talk to. And if you don't know how to forward a domain, no big deal. Just tell GoDaddy, hey, is blankblank.com open? Okay, how much is it? Okay, here's my credit card. Can you guys please forward that? I don't need hosting. I don't need a website. I just need joincory.com forwarded. And then you tell them the link. And in my case with LiveGood, it's the LiveGood capture page. Okay, it works. Okay, it works having a custom domain. And if you don't have 11 bucks, don't worry about it. I'm sure you will down the road. And have fun with them. Whatever your name is, you can probably just get maybe your real name. My real name is Cory Draper, so corydraper.com. I bought it. My middle name is the letter J, not J-A-Y. It's just Cory, the letter J Draper. So I bought coryjdraper.com. And since they're so cheap, I just hold on to them because there's always a business that I'm going to want to probably promote. And if I can say, hey, join cory.com and you guys join LiveGood, awesome. But I put all of my opportunities on corydraper.com, and I can just show you that real quick here, I guess. Let me go ahead and type in corydraper.com. Did I do it? I think I got that right. Okay, this is just a free page from Linktree. Do you see at the bottom, it says Linktree? If you want a free web page like this, just click it and just make one like I did. I just put my face. I just put Fearless Rock and Roll Marketing Maniac. All right, I thought that was funny. My super affiliate funnel is my #1 money maker. LiveGood is amazing. Legacy Builders is great education. All right, my funnel system is the multiple income funnel. I'm an email maniac. I send well over 100,000 emails per day just by my lead gen. And do you see if you just click every one of these, okay, it just automatically goes to another page. Okay, in this case, the super affiliate funnel. Okay, there it is. Notice there's just a video to watch. Okay, I am the king of that. Boy, I'll tell you what, with Legacy Builders, all right, for the best education, you just put your email in there and watch a couple videos, and if you want to buy, great. If not, no harm, no foul. But man, I'll tell you guys, I am a big fan of just getting a nice short domain, a business card, just in case someone brings it up on a street level. You can just hand them the card and say, hey, when you get home, go ahead and just check it out. All right, you guys can figure out if you're in or out. But most people are going to want to watch on their cell phones, usually in their car behind their steering wheel, or maybe in bed or on the couch. And I have a home computer here. It's kind of nice for me to just have a desk, sit here and have a drink and just kind of watch the video and see if I want to join that opportunity or buy whatever product, okay, that they're selling, that I'm selling, okay? So it's one of my tips, all right? Every day, everyone asks, how were you able to sign up 400 people just in Live Good alone? Well, one way is just getting a nice, simple domain and forwarding it to a page that has a video that explains everything. And with joincory.com, you can see there's a nice 6-minute video produced by Live Good. And if you want to join, you put your name and email address in a little box and click the button below it. And that's it, guys. Okay? All right. Thanks again for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that was awesome. Okay. Any more questions? Email me anytime. Cory@corydraper.com. And I always like to make a video, hopefully answering the questions. Okay, the best I can. Okay, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.